We are taking a very cross-campus approach. We look at entrepreneurship as boundary spanning. So students of any major, any discipline can be engaged with entrepreneurship, but also innovation.
My first experience right now with New Venture Challenge has been really eye-opening. What I've seen, as well as my personal development, I'm creating this company, but the biggest thing that I'm super grateful for is getting exposed to all of these prominent business people.
And the people that I'm surrounded by when coming to these events, they are here to help us and they genuinely want us to succeed.
Through the entrepreneurship program, I was able to establish real life connections and potential customers for my company.
So New Venture, being an experiential program, allows students to gain experience for themselves in developing an idea. And even if they don't develop it, part of that learning, that real life learning process, is learning what doesn't work. Finding out that your idea really isn't more than an idea.
If anything that I've learned from New Venture Challenge, it's how to overcome problems. It's really cool.
Winning a reward through the New Venture competition will benefit me and my company because I will be able to invest the money that I have won through the New Venture competition directly into the company to allow it to grow and to further my career.
And this is where that connectivity and meeting with mentors and advisors can help the student take what may be a raw idea, fine-tune it, polish it, pivot, change it a little bit as needed, and be able to move forward.